What's up, everyone? Got these ASP rigid cuffs. Goofing around a little bit. Pop this mechanism back in here with the yellow one here. Let's get that pushed back down in there. Click. That's in now. Alright. Now, to escape these high security cuffs. With the ball pick again. Oh yes. We're shimming them. I mean, they put all this technology into these things and trying to make them anti-shimmable. They're not much better than the ASP Sentries. There you have it. Come on here. Get that lined up right there. Push in. And there it is. The ASP rigid cuffs. Shimmed with the ball pick. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more Shackleman shenanigans.